Okay, so we are going to prepare our paper for your 3D textures. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler, make sure the edge of the ruler is where the beginning of the ruler is, the zero line, which this would be the zero line, is on the edge of the paper. And then you're going to put a dot on 3 inches and 6 inches. 3 and 6. Then you're going to slide your ruler down to the bottom and you will put a dot on your 3 inches and your 6 inches. And then you will lightly draw, hold your pencil at the top. You want to barely see the line that you have. Mine is a little dark because I want you to be able to see it in the video. So this is on the 3-inch mark and the 6-inch mark. You need to make sure you measure at the top and the bottom so your lines will be straight. So then I'm going to turn my paper sideways. I'm going to make sure that my ruler, the beginning of my ruler is on the edge of the paper. And I'm going to put a dot on every 4 inches. So 4 and 8. Okay. Slide my ruler over. Put my dot on 4 and 8. All right. So this is the background that you're going to glue pieces to. Okay, so that's the background piece. We're going to do the same thing to another piece. Your papers are 9 by 12. So you're going to use 2 pieces of the 9 by 12 paper that I gave you. And you're going to do the same thing. Put a dot on 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Very lightly draw your paper line across the paper, edge to edge. Hold your pencil up here so it's very light. Whoops, not that light because it didn't go transfer. Like that. Do the same thing. Turn your paper sideways and put a dot on 4 and 8 inch mark. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Then you connect the dots going all the correct way across the paper. Then I'm going to take my scissors. I'll choose the one whichever's the lightest grid. Both mine are about the same darkness, but I want to keep the lightest grid for my background. So you're going to put that paper to the side, and then you will take this and you will very neatly cut on the line so that you will have 9 rectangles that are as perfectly measured as possible. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how I went about making 9 different textures out of cut paper, and then I glued them on each rectangle. Then you're going to end up taking these rectangles and gluing them on your background grid that we just made. So you need to make sure that you have 9 neatly measured rectangles. Okay, you can take those and stack them up, and we're gonna make 9 different textures, and then you'll glue them in place on each grid, but you'll see that in the next video.